Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XDC Network. Let's dive into the XDC Network DAO, guys. It's going to be an interesting video, so stay tuned and watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins as well as potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then do subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for regular videos. And guys, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price of XDC Network at the time of the recording. Let us check that out. So XDC is down 0.78% for the day at the moment. Let us look at the 7-day chart, guys. So yeah, it is down 1.01%, but guys, it went all the way from 0.048 to 0.53 almost. And since that time, it has come down and broken through this support line. But this is the range that is acting as a magnet, guys. Whenever it goes up, it is coming back down to this line. But let us now look at the uh, view in the monthly. By looking at the chart, we can see a better view by looking at the different time frames. So yeah, this is a really crucial line over here, guys. 0.050. This is a crucial line, and in my opinion, if it breaks through this, guys, then it is going to be testing out these resistance lines over here, and basically trying and going back towards its monthly high 0.061 and beyond as well. If you look at the 1 year chart, guys, now this is a better picture. It went all the way from 0.03167 all the way to 0.087, guys. So that is awesome. That is cool. And if I was looking at the trading view as well, and a good uh, trend line was also being formed over here. So this is a crucial area. In my opinion, this is going to be going above this. A crucial area of support, guys. XDC is too great of a project to be basically breaking out this through the support now. It is gaining uh, traction. It is gaining exposure. So yeah, guys, the $686 million market cap is nothing for a project that is disrupting trillions of dollars, guys. So that is awesome. That is great. Anyways, guys, so yeah, check this out. All-time high market cap 2.15 billion, guys. That is nothing for this, guys. To be very honest, it is going to be breaking through this in a few years. Not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, your own research. It has also announced a strategic partnership with Umbrella Network as well, guys. So yeah, it is bullish. Now, what we're talking about in this video is the XDC Network DAO, guys, the decentralized autonomous organization. Let us dive into the world of XDC Network's DAO with the exclusive article revealing the upcoming DAOFin platform. So, guys, what is the DAOFin platform? We're going to be checking that out. Join the conversation. We're going to be going through this article, but let us look at some of the comments here. Really great and bullish comments. So this is from XRP. Ironic that XRP is talking about XDC, but obviously all the X coin communities are on board, guys. Mostly they know what each of the other coin is doing: XLM, XDC, XRP. So XDC, my dark horse, keep on building. Rewards will come. Best in class governance, watch out world. So basically DAO is for governance. So yeah, fantastic. Will new platform offer native staking? Okay, so cool. Let us now look into this article, guys. And this is latest. They have been the XDC official handle has posted this month, January 4th. So let us check this out. So exclusive preview, guys, of DAOFin platform for XDC network. Share your feedback so you guys can go through this yourselves and share your feedback as well on what you think about it and all of that stuff, your opinions, your feedbacks, and all of that. So what is DAOFin? DAOFin is basically a gateway to a decentralized XDC network. So You guys know that DAO means decentralized autonomous organization. Basically, this is when you want decentralized governance, decentralized proposals, decentralized decision making. So, DAOFin platform is basically the gateway of this decentralized organization. DAOFin is a DAO framework designed to move the blockchain to fully decentralized governance. That is awesome. uh, I've seen guys complain about all of these projects that we talk about, like XDC and others, that they are really centralized. They are basically working for the banks, the evil, so-called evil financial organizations that have wreaked havoc in the financial structure, the IMFs, the World Economic Forum, and all of that stuff. I mean, I'm not totally condoning their decisions, but guys, they are a part and parcel of the financial structure, and basically removing them altogether is, I think, extremely idealistic and unrealistic. So, what these projects can do is basically merge the beauty of decentralization, the beauty of crypto, along with the old legacy systems to give us a great hybrid structure. So that isn't bad if a project is good. And XDC is one of those projects, guys. Truly, I really like what they're doing. They're clear, transparent, and now this decentralized governance is one step forward towards that breaking that stigma that these projects are truly working for the bad players, the bad actors all together. So basically, the framework will help XDC's networks community to manage all critical updates to the protocol's design, including network upgrades. This is huge, guys. Basically, big decisions here. Integration of dApps, payment methods, improvements, and so on. So communities being involved, and this is a decentralized framework that is awesome. As a universal and flexible framework, Dolphin is designed to meet all the growing requirements of a scaling technical design and a thriving ecosystem. This is true, guys. Ecosystem of XDC network is thriving to the fullest. It is involved with some great plays, and now that it is now involving the community much more, I mean, it cannot get much more bullish than this. On top of this, they've got their layer one with good projects as well being built on top of it. I mean, this project is one of the best, in my opinion, in the business at the moment. Do your own due diligence, by the way, not financial advice. With Dolphin, XDC Network attempts to become more decentralized, transparent, and community driven than ever before, guys. This is what people were complaining, right? When we were talking about ISO 20022 coins and all of these projects, that it is not much decentralized, that is giving authority back to those centralized players, those global actors, and all of that stuff. So, guys, this is an answer for them as well, the skeptics as well, that now XDC network is becoming much more decentralized, transparent, and community driven. Community has basically they basically have the proposals in hand, the decision making in hand in terms of network, in terms of dApps and payment methods and all of that stuff, guys. So that is awesome. As the launch of the highly anticipated Dolphin platform for the XDC network draws near, so it is drawing near. It hasn't basically launched yet. The development team is excited to offer the community an exclusive sneak peek into the platform's design and features. So, guys, let us look at the designs and features. This is the dashboard. Explore the dashboard and share your thoughts on its clarity. Check this out. This is clean and slick, a great dashboard, Dolphin dashboard, community, treasury. So yeah, proposals and all of those things that a DAO deals with, decentralized autonomous organization. They've got this treasury as well, where the funds are going to be used and everything. Basically, that is awesome. Add fund, withdraw. Everything is transparent. The withdrawals, adding funds, cool. Proposal creation. So people can create their proposals. You guys can create proposal. What are the types of the proposals? Check that out. Check this out. What would you like to propose? Grant, update voting period, update proposal settings, update judiciaries, update proposal cost. So various proposals you guys can fill out. You guys can fill out your proposal for information, Input your desired recipient address and requested amount. Select proposals election period. People would put vote on these proposals basically, and then it is going to be approved or not. So yeah, review your proposal. Like this is a funding test, and you guys can review that as well. Proposal cost, gas estimation of transaction, proposal details. You guys can write the detail, the motivation, and all of things. Simple summary. So yeah, this AIP proposed to modify the parameters of stablecoins across all of the A pools. So yeah, this sort of thing. So that is awesome, guys. So you guys can share your feedbacks. In my opinion, this is extremely bullish and a good answer to a lot of skeptics as well. Awesome work. This top work, amazing. This is amazing. I can't wait for the launch. Is it the dark mode kind of dark blue or dark gray? I mean, we also always get these sort of questions. I mean, what are they talking about? And people want dark blue or dark gray. I mean, this is good. Yeah, this is good. I really like it. So kudos to Dra30. I really like this sort of comments. Yep, probably kind of dark gray. So yeah, let's see how it is. So guys, what do you guys think about it? What do you guys think about DAO and decentralization that XDC is going towards? Do you like it? Are you bullish on it by this decision? Do hit the comment box below and do discuss about what we have just discussed basically. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. And you can also become a Patreon to support the channel. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.